Education, your door to the future. So, what are you waiting for? Here's a great place to learn. ATSS Trust established the College of Business Studies and Computer Application in 2009. ATSS CBSEA College is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University and recognized by Government of Maharashtra, accredited by National Assessment and Accreditation Council. The college is located on the old Pune-Mumbai highway with just a 500-meter away from Chinchwad railway station. It is located in the midst of the industrial hub of the automobile and IT industries. Mr. Manohar Jambekar is the founder, a visionary and educationist who founded ATSS Trust with the prime focus of giving skill training to the youth of Pimpri Chinchwad for providing the employable workforce for the emerging industries at that time.
Hello, welcome to ATSS Family, a place where you can rediscover and reinvent yourself, the environment that fosters the curiosity and exploration, where you can take the stock of your talents and passions and begin to sort out your life which is true to yourself and responsible to others.
Programs offered by CBSEA College are Bachelor's in Business Administration, Bachelor's in Business Administration in Computer Application, Bachelor in Science in Computer Science, Masters of Science in Computer Science.
Hello friends, welcome in ATSS College of Business Studies and Computer Application, Chinchwad campus. ATSS CBSEA, commonly called as ATSS College, started in 2009 and offers professional degree programs BBA, BBA Computer Application, BSc Computer Science and MSc Computer Science, all affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. College is NAAC accredited college and college is located in the midst of industrial hub of automobile and IT industry. In our college, we value every individual and we try to provide them the suitable and conducive environment so that they can feel the better learning experience and can excel in technology, life skill or even in sports. As per the need of today's requirement, we provide our teaching learning methodology supports to the Gurukul system and the technology based so that students can be competitively ready and face the world after receiving their degree. So, I welcome you once again in my Chinchwad campus.
PBA is a 3-year full-time professional credit-based program designed by keeping in mind the needs of a dynamic business world such that our undergraduate students understand how to find their way to a job role mapped to their long-term goals. The BBA program places the students as business executives and managers.
Hi everyone, my name is Afreen. I've completed BBA in 2018 from ATSS College and I'm currently working in WNS company. ATSS College has got the best infrastructural facilities and they do also have brilliant faculty members. They provide various educational courses for the beneficial of the student and these courses are really very helpful to the student to crack the interview. I got my practical knowledge from these courses. As far as the placements are concerned, every student has been provided with ample of opportunities and I'm really lucky to be a part of the ATSS family.
BBACA is a 3-year full-time professional credit-based program designed to bridge the gap between the industry and academia. The BBACA program offers courses that are a blend of management, commerce and computer applications. The program places the students as junior software developer, test engineer, business analyst, hardware industries and banking sector too.
I am Yash Akade, currently seeking education in TY BBACA, ATSS CBSEA College. This college has got best environment for efficient and effective learning. When I entered in this college, I was having no knowledge regarding computer. But when I entered in this college taught us various communication skills, management skills and other interactive skills. This college not only teaches us syllabus, they also teach us curriculum activities and sports knowledge. Thank you.
BSc CS is a 3-year full-time professional credit-based program designed to demonstrate a breadth and depth of knowledge in the discipline of computer science.
Hi friends, my name is Chandrasekhar Dodmani from TYBSc Computer Science. I love my college a lot because it possessing all the qualities of an ideal college. Our college has excellent course curriculum and faculty members. My teacher always guided me to build myself, and because of them my programming skills got improved. The college has arranged many add-on courses to develop our communication skills as well as technical skills. These all activities given me a courage to speak on stage with fluent English and improved my knowledge about programming languages. Admin members are also helpful and always ready to help regarding exam forms as well as scholarship etc. And this college has given me opportunity to even crack my interviews. Very much thankful to my college because it given me a way to my dreams. Thank you.
MSc Computer Science is a 2-year postgraduate program designed to equip the candidate with the knowledge and skills to develop innovative solutions that the modern computing industry requires. After completing the BSc in CS and MSc in CS program, the candidate can apply as a software developer, test engineer, business analyst, hardware industries and banking sector too.
Myself, Monica Dubey, pursuing SY MSc Computer Science from ATSS College, would like to express my privilege of getting an opportunity to introduce this marvelous educational platform in front of you all. I have successfully completed my BCS from ATSS College, and being the student of this college, I strongly recommend to all the budding aspirant of BCS and NCS to apply for this college, as we are provided with best of best faculty, infrastructure and boundless support system here to build an unbreakable concrete.
In campus, we have a cultural club that is ARCO, the first ray of sun.
Hi, myself Anuj Singh. So talking about ARCO Club, that's something new, right? Even I was not aware about it. But trust me, after joining to the ARCO Club, I have boosted my confidence at a very next level, and now I am able to handle any of the events at any of the platform. And the best part is that our college stood second rank for the best event management of the year award in the entire Pune that was held by NIEM.
National Service Scheme is the key to make social awareness among students. So under NSS, every year CBSCA conducts various activities.
नमस्कार, मी CS मोहोळकर, NSS स्वयंसेवक. मला आधीपासूनच सामाजिक कार्य करण्याची आवड होती, त्यामुळे मी NSS जॉईन केले. NSS जॉईन केल्यानंतर मी प्रत्येक गोष्टीत सहभागी होत गेलो, प्रत्येक कार्यात पुढे असायचो. त्यामुळे मला दुसऱ्या वर्षी NSS कोऑर्डिनेटर म्हणून काम करण्याची संधी देण्यात आली. त्यानंतर मला 2019-20 ला सर्वोत्कृष्ट NSS स्वयंसेवक म्हणून हा पुरस्कार देण्यात आला.
From the beginning itself, CBSCA is helping students to be a strong pillar in the job sector, and so many students have chased their dreams under placement cell.
ATSS CBSCA is a step where I got my wings. I am very thankful to all my teachers and principal of the college who helped me throughout my graduation program, which made my difficult subject very easier to understand. And I have been placed from ATSS CBSCA in one of the companies situated in Pune, that is Atos Syntel. And ATSS CBSCA conducts pre-placement activities. It conducts new sessions for the pre-placement, which is helpful for the placement of the students.
Student Development Cell supports the professional and personal development of students. Various schemes which run successfully under this cell are Earn and Learn Scheme, Special Guidance Scheme, Personality Development for Girl Students.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Sarge from SY BSc CS of ATSS CBSCA College. Actually, I am from a very middle class family where our parents faces lot of struggle to fulfill our requirements. Same problem happened with me. So when my teachers told me about the Earn and Learn scheme, I feel so glad. It was very a good chance to earn large pocket money without any disturbance in our college studies. So during this work, I learned lot of new things which helped in my field also. And I really thank to my all teachers for being me a part of this Earn and Learn scheme and for being me always supportive. Thank you so much.
Sports keep a sound mind in a sound body, and this importance CBSCA College knows very well.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishikesh Dadge. I am currently studying in TYBCS Computer Science. Being a sports person, it was my desire while studying I should even pursue my desire for sports. that made me possible by ATSS College, as they always supported me and encouraged me in every sports activity.
Give the best, get the best. Join us for the excellent educational experience and enroll yourself for a promising future.